The Home Minister had also mentioned about the issue of infiltration, and he said that infiltration is an issue that concerns not just the state of Meghalaya, but the Northeast as a whole and the country as a whole. And the Honorable Home Minister has given assurance that he will do all that's possible to ensure that the culture, the identity and the language of the people of Meghalaya and the Northeast and in general the country as a whole is always protected. The Honorable Home Minister also mentioned about the fact that the issues regarding the border fencing also needs to be expedited. There are some sections in which the construction has not started yet due to some local issues. He has urged the state government to speak to the stakeholders and to take the people along and ensure that all the concerns are addressed at the earliest. And the work in those sections where the border fencing has not started yet must start at the earliest. So these were the different issues that were discussed with the Honorable Home Minister in the meeting today.